Hey lovelies, thank you once again for coming back to watch my videos. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you the simple egg sauce or egg stew recipe with you all. So easy to make and you are going to love it. If today being your first time on this channel, hello, you are welcome. Please kindly do to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. So first, I will start off by cutting my veggies, starting from the fresh tomatoes, the onions, the bell peppers, everything I'm going to need for this egg stew. I will cut them up and set it aside. Also, remember that bell peppers are optional for this sauce. You can still make this sauce without them and it will still taste so good. But I prefer using them because of their health benefits and natural sweetness it adds to the food. Bell peppers are packed with vitamin A, C, and also contains antioxidants that helps reduce inflammation in the body. And again, the combination of bell peppers also make the sauce more colorful. Do you get? If this is your first time here, I want to specially thank you for clicking to watch this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Also click the like button for me before you leave. After you have subscribed, there is a bell. Click that bell. That way, you will be the first to know anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you for always coming back. So into a frying pan, I'm going to add a good amount of oil. Once it heats up, I will add in the onions, fry for about a minute before I add in the chopped pepper and the tomatoes. So yeah, the onions is light brown now. I will go ahead and add in the chopped pepper and the chopped tomatoes. Stir beautifully to combine and allow it to cook on a low heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. In a separate bowl, crack in your eggs. I'm using 5 eggs for this recipe. You can use any amount of egg, okay? And after about 5 minutes, we are back to check on our sauce. So moving forward, I will go in with my seasonings, salt to taste, and also beef seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice, okay? And as you can see, I'm keeping this simple, just seasoning cubes and salt, no unnecessary spices, so that way I will get the best natural taste from the sauce. No curry powder, no thyme, nothing. All right, so after about 2 minutes, I'll go in with the bell peppers. Add all the bell peppers and make sure that your heat is on a low heat. And after adding everything, stir beautifully to combine. Cover to cook for additional 2 minutes. Just look at that beautiful color. At this point, the egg sauce was looking very good and delicious already. So I will just give it a gentle stir and go in with our egg. Once you add your egg, don't stir immediately. Just cover to cook on a low heat for about few seconds. Then open your pot and you will see your egg form particles like this. So I will just give it a gentle stir and cover it again for the last time and allow it to simmer down until oil settles on top beautifully. All right, so after 2 minutes, look at how beautiful and appetizing this egg sauce looks now. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this egg sauce recipe. It came out so good, and let me know what you are going to pair with this. I paired mine with some yam. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and please do well to support your girl by subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay blessed. Bye.